Khasi Students Union Central Executive Council akan rio tarik Naiwieng arhajar arpulai Pdiang Burom Mawiong ISBT ya Kynhun pyrthei.leit kepada Kynhun Kiddies Corner Secondary School Shillong kabala Wanrah Burom ya ribet ke Jylla baroh kawei daga bayuk khur artylli ki Takma Ksiar haka Lympung International Choir Competition kabalong haka Ri Malaysia. Kadika Kynhun ke banyngkong nakari India ke shim bynta haka tika Lympung badru ke Kynhun banyngkong nari India banyok khur ya katei ki khusnam. Hapadeng ke Pdiang Burom daka seng ladon rengkat lem ki nonghikai jong ke Khasi Secondary School ki kmie ki Kpa Jong ki kena ki bala-leit ban shim bynta haka tika Lympung bat ki Bahieng hasem. Ya kan ke Kynhun jong ke KSU kaba Pdiang Burom ya ke Kynhun pyrthei.leit lalam khmat do Vice President ke seng usamla biangbor el paliar usamla pen kemenlang san miet ubade education secretary ke seng usamla Edi Malnyang usamla hopeful born maunai kibade ki assistant organizing secretary ke seng ki dekat na maulai circle maupram circle bat upper Shillong circle bat kumjo nakalat mkra unit anda kini ki Kynhun ki lapoi ha ke school Kiddies corner la Pdiang Burom ki de ki kena school bat ki nonghikai kani ke school ha ka ba la Burom ru ki de ki momento kum kadak kajing it bat sngongu ya kajing job jongki hakaran sane ko proai Kynhun ha Malaysia.
Inspiration, it gives us the cause to live, and being home here again amongst everyone who loves us is something which is so special. Well, everyone knows when we left on the 31st of this month, last month. We didn't know what we were getting into. We knew that we were going for a competition. We knew that it was going to be hard work. So lots of practices were held with the children and Miss Elsa and John and the rest of the teachers who really worked so hard to help us to achieve what we achieved. And I truly believe nothing would have been, we would never have been able to do what we did if first of all, it's not for God who helped us. And the team after that, the team of teachers, the team of parents, the team of past pupils, the team of well-wishers, all who supported us through this journey. And the day the results were to be declared, they didn't allow all of us to enter the hall. They allowed only 5 per choir. Because of the children's category, there were 56 choirs. It was a huge competition. So when we went there, and they were calling out names of people who won the silver, and we weren't called, I could see everyone who was sitting there, and Fiona was also present there, and all of them were just keeping their fingers crossed, and we were really worried because we didn't know what was going to happen. And then they called us all on stage, so we went there, and there again, so many choirs getting their awards, and we were just waiting patiently. And finally, when we were called, we were super excited because we scored, I think, the highest ever. For all these years we participated, the highest we got earlier was 82 point something, and this time we got 86. Yeah, we got 86.7, which was, I believe, a very good score. And the good thing is, when we were there, everyone, I don't know how, but all the other choirs and the organizers, the team from Malaysia, everyone knew about Kpa. Everyone was, and as the organizers and some of the gentlemen we had who was taking care of us, whose name was Thomas, he was saying everyone was talking about you, talking about our friend Jylla, talking about how disciplined Jylla. And for that, I'm saying, I was really proud because at least our team went there and made our state proud. And everyone was, the moment they asked us where we were from, we said Meghalaya, we spoke about the Khasi Hills. They took out their phone, they were Googling to find out where it is, because they found it very unique that we say a choir from India, but then you have these young persons who don't look as what others consider Indian. In Shillong, why don't we have something where music and art is taken seriously and is put into the syllabus? Because right now we have syllabus which is only academically inclined. There's nothing for young people who are interested, whether it's art, whether it's dance, whether it's music, whether it's sculpture, nothing to do with the arts. So I think that is something which is the need of the hour right now in our state. And getting choirs to go out like we did, I know it's tough because getting finance is very hard. Till today I'm saying we're still struggling with that, but I know that we will succeed in collecting the funds that are required, even though we haven't yet done so, but I'm sure we will be able to do so, because I know in hard work, and everyone puts in hard work, it will be blessed. But I just thinking about it and I say, why don't we have something like Shillong? And if you hear the children speaking also, I think they had a fantastic time. The thing is, like, throughout those few days, there was no chance for us to do anything else, because we were picked up in the morning and we were dropped back in the evening or a little later in the evening, because they have another thing. Punctuality is so important for them. When the competition was on, so when our turn was there, first we did the sound check. So they tell us, you get 10 minutes for sound check, and they just make us stand behind backstage. As soon as we enter the stage, they keep the time, and they have a board, a small placards where they write 10 minutes, 5 minutes, 3 minutes. So while we are doing our practice rehearsal, when 5 minutes over, they show us 5 minutes left. When 3 minutes over, they show us 3 minutes left. 1 minute over, 1 minute left, stop. You have to leave whether you finished or not. It didn't really matter. And if you're not there, you're not allowed to take part. So they keep time, and that is why I think countries develop. That's why states develop, because of the way they take punctuality seriously. And that is something which we find is lacking in our country, in our state. Even amongst us here in school, we take time so leisurely. We don't take it seriously. Think 1 minute of time also is important. But I think that's something which we all learned too. And besides this, I think they learned the gift of giving. They learned acceptance. They learned that the world is huge and we have so many cultures, so many traditions, and so many languages. And if we want to, we can do it. Nothing in the world can stop us from achieving our dreams. It's just hard work, discipline, and being humble. With those 3 qualities, I think we can move mountains. We can do whatever we wish to do. Having those 3 qualities in us. Yeah, that's all that I want to share.